What is Atarax? Atarax reduces activity in the central nervous system. It also acts as an antihistamine that reduces the natural chemical histamine in the body. Histamine can produce symptoms of sneezing and runny nose, or hives on the skin. Atarax is used as a sedative to treat anxiety and tension. It is also used together with other medications given for anesthesia. Atarax is also used to treat allergic skin reactions such as hives or contact dermatitis. Things to know before using Atarax. You should not use Atarax if you are allergic to hydroxyzine, or if you are pregnant. Before you take Atarax, tell your doctor if you have a seizure disorder, liver disease, or kidney disease. This medication may impair your thinking or reactions. Be careful if you drive or do anything that requires you to be alert. Stop using Atarax and call your doctor at once if you have a serious side effect such as tremors, confusion, seizures, or restless muscle movements in your eyes, tongue, jaw, or neck. Drinking alcohol can increase certain side effects of hydroxyzine. You should not use Atarax if you are allergic to hydroxyzine, or if you are pregnant. To make sure you can safely take Atarax, tell your doctor if you have any of these other conditions: epilepsy or other seizure disorder, asthma, emphysema, or other breathing problem, glaucoma, heart disease or high blood pressure, stomach ulcer, blockage in your stomach or intestines, thyroid disorder, enlarged prostate or problems with urination, liver disease, or kidney disease. Do not use Atarax without telling your doctor if you are pregnant. It could harm the unborn baby. Use effective birth control, and tell your doctor if you become pregnant during treatment. How is Atarax used? Take Atarax exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Do not take in larger or smaller amounts or for longer than recommended. Follow the directions on your prescription label. Take this medicine with a full glass of water. Usual adult dose for anxiety. Oral, 50 to 100 mg orally 4 times a day. Parenteral, 50 to 100 mg immediately, then every 4 to 6 hours as needed. Usual adult dose for atopic dermatitis. Oral, 25 mg orally 3 to 4 times a day. Use, management of pruritus due to histamine-mediated pruritus and allergic conditions. Usual adult dose for pruritus. Oral, 25 mg orally 3 to 4 times a day. Usual adult dose for urticaria. Oral, 25 mg orally 3 to 4 times a day. Usual adult dose for sedation. Oral, 50 to 100 mg orally once. Parenteral, 25 to 100 mg in once. Usual adult dose for nausea vomiting. Parenteral, 25 to 100 mg in once. Atarax side effects. Get emergency medical help if you have any of these signs of an allergic reaction to Atarax: hives, difficulty breathing, swelling of your face, lips, tongue, or throat. Stop using Atarax and call your doctor at once if you have a serious side effect such as restless muscle movements in your eyes, tongue, jaw, or neck, tremor and controlled shaking, confusion, or seizure convulsions. Less serious Atarax side effects may include dizziness, drowsiness, blurred vision, dry mouth, or headache.